Okay, welcome back to iRISE Digital's tutorial on Joomla. This time we're going to be showing you how to create a list in Joomla. I had already done a lot of work on this before I started the video, so this one should go by pretty quickly because it covers a lot of topics that we had touched before. So again, we're going to keep working on the Clean Touch Services website. I have already logged into the back end. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, first of all, we need to go to the content and go to category manager. Okay, so I had created a category called services. So easily you do that by hitting the new, and then obviously you give your category a title. You can make it a subcategory of another one. So let's say I have painting. Painting could be a subcategory of services. So what this does is it actually allows you to group articles into different categories, and then you can display those categories in a list. Since we already have this category created, I will exit out of here without saving anything. And so we have the category called services. Okay, if we click here where it says article, we're going to go see the articles I've created. So basically I went through, created a really cheap article, basically saying this is the article. I gave the article a name, a title, and the alias. Usually I like to put dashes in between the words because it will automatically, aliases can't have any spaces. So usually underscores or dashes. Don't put any weird characters like the and or no question marks. All that's not allowed in there under the alias. So category, basically I'm going to pick services. And I'm going to go ahead and close that one, or save and close. Move on to my next article. Carpet cleaning is also a service that they provide, so I'm going to go in there. Change the category to services. And you still see down here it's exactly the same article. So save and close. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go through and basically save all of these that say uncategorized. I'm going to put all of these: hardwood floor restoration, painting, exterior painting, interior, pressure washing, upholstery cleaning. All those are going to be under the category of services. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and do that. Okay, now that we have all the articles into the services category, I've changed all that. What we're going to do is go to the menu manager. Here's the menu manager. Okay, click on the main menu. We only have that one menu for now. Alright, I already have the services on there. Basically, I'm going to throw it out, put it in the trash, and show you how to do this, how to add this item. So basically we're going to add a menu item. Okay, and it's going to ask me for a menu type, a menu item type. Now this time we want, let's see, a category list. This one will give us a list of all of the articles within a specific category. Now, nice thing about a list is that it's only going to give you the titles of the articles. It's not going to show you any of the content within the articles. If you want to show partial content, or actually the whole content, you want to do a blog. So a blog is almost the same as a list, but a blog actually shows you some or all of the article. A list will only show you the titles of the articles. So for now, we're just going to do a list, which is going to show us a list of all of the titles. Okay, we're going to call this one services. We're going to choose a category. This is going to be the services category. Now, one thing that you want to check out maybe is the list layout, article order. I would like to put it in alphabetical, title alphabetical. You can choose the one that has the most hits, the most recent. If you have, say, a news website, you basically want to show your newest news articles at the top of the list, and obviously going into older articles at the bottom. If you're doing a website like this one where it's informational, alphabetical tends to work really well. If you're doing, say, a website where you're showing songs, or like a website like mine's where I'm going to be showing, let's say, templates, I may want to show the ones that have the highest hits, so the most popular ones first. If you have videos, you maybe want to show the most popular ones first, and obviously go to the least popular. So there's many different options here. I'm basically going to leave it in title alphabetical and leave it at root menu. Pretty much everything else stays the same. I'll go ahead and save and close this one. Once I click the services tab up top, you should be able to see here's a list in alphabetical order of all of the articles that we had created. So this is a very easy way to list pretty much all the services just by one click. Now you see that once we have all of these links here, you can then click the links, and that'll take you to each individual article. Obviously our article really didn't have a lot of information on it. Remember, I just wrote this is the article. So there you go. We can go back here to our previous, and there you have all of the articles in a list. In the next video, we will be covering how to add sub menu items to, say, this here, you want a sub menu item, air ducts, sub menu item, carpet cleaning. We'll be covering that in the next article.